So this is where we left off. We have our very basic shape, only fitting the front and the side view, and now we want to refine it. And to refine it, we're going to use the modeling toolkit, a lot of tools from the modeling toolkit. And if you don't see the modeling toolkit, you can always get it with the button up here, the modeling toolkit button. And there's all kinds of handy tools in the modeling toolkit. First, we might want to shift some edges a little. For instance, this one, if I go to edge mode, I am in edge mode. This one should probably be a little bit lower to be the bottom of the clothing he has. And we probably need another one around the neck, because the shoulders are wide over here and the head is smaller. So we need another subdivision here. There is the multi-cut tool, which is very handy. The multi-cut tool allows you to cut anywhere, but if you hold down Control, you can insert an entire new edge loop. So, and if I show that in perspective, you can see what happens. You can get an entire new edge loop in it. So we do it closer to the previous one, and then we can just go do the same thing we did before. We can go back into edge mode or leave the multi-cut tool. That's always tricky. The tools in the modeling toolkit stay active. You need to really leave them. So we go to Q to go to selects, double click on an edge, R to scale, and get the head smaller over here. Sort of. And then in front we can probably, in the side view, we can probably do the same kind of thing. And we see that it's actually... Now we can also start messing with the shape a bit more, because if I go into vertex mode and pick up this vertex, for instance, this might want to go over here. And if I pick up this vertex, you see how I drag select around it. Camera-based selection is on, so I probably just grabbed the front one. No, I did not, because X-ray is on. We can actually see the ones in the back. But you can move these around a little to get it to fit the shape a little bit more. Now, another detail we might want is the beard. So we're not going to just randomly cut it. We're going to do it with a little bit of using the existing geometry. So the beard goes down here, sort of. So let's just multi-cut that. I go blink, blink, dunk, dunk, dunk. And we have sort of the basic shape for the beard. And that is sticking out a little. So let's pull that out a little, simply by going to face mode. Leave multi-cut by hitting Q, and select these faces and pull them out. You just go in here and extrude them. Ooh, see what I did wrong? Because with an X-ray vision, it selects the ones in the back as well. And I just want the ones in the front, so let's select them over here. Q, this one, no, not everyone, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Nothing in the back selected. And then go to Extrude. Control E does Extrude. I'm just going to pull them out a tiny little bit. You got something that can become a beard. I just made some triangles, and generally we do not like triangles. We want everything to be quads. And there again, multi-cut can come in very handy. Let's go and go back into multi-cut. We could, for instance, do this. We could cut here, cut here, cut here. Oh, it doesn't want to cut there. Why not? Oh, I'm not on the right edge. Let's cut here, here, and here. If you click on a line and then drag it to the corner, it will align with the edge vertex. So this could work, and then I could even hover over an edge and take these out. That's the wrong one. Oh, I didn't complete that one. Chip. Enter. And then hover over vertex and take these out. So now they are all quads, but this is a really ugly quad because it's a quad with 4 points shaped as a triangle. We don't like that. So we need to probably put in more detail like this and then go up into here. And we're probably going to have more detail over there. So, but you see how you can use multicut to slowly refine the model. Now we got here these two triangles. We want to get rid of these two triangles. We want to just have these two quads. Target weld is another handy tool. You can grab a point and just pull it onto another one and it will weld there. So now we've got a nice round shape. Here we need to resolve stuff because there's 5-point polygons, but that we can do later. It always helps to, on occasion, hit the 3 button to look at the subdivided mode. And if you're in target weld, it actually shows the hull on top. So let's go to select. And to see if there's not any weird unfinished subdivisions, and these points that start pulling indicate that this is not a nice quad. It's a 5-point polygon, so we'll have to resolve that. But that will be resolved probably when we get into the face.